Oh, we have a question regarding Enscape. So currently you're rendering an animation, right?
Ano tawag dito? Yung opinion ko regarding sa lumabas na 3.0 version. Mas okay pa rin yung interface na animation ng 2.8 compared to this new one.
How come?
Since dapat may slider ka, mas exact kasi yung pwede mong ilagay or yung bilis or yung bagal ng video na gusto mong ma-achieve. Yun.
Yeah, hopefully the Enscape admins will 3.1 siguro, no? Parang sa Loom yun.
Pro. Sure.
And so, what are you doing currently?
Nasa up ko yung animation. Gumagawa ng scene na maganda.
You model the terrain in Sketchup.
Kasi pag kasi syempre pag very open yung openings mo sa model, makikita mo yung environment yun na hindi okay, unlike doon yan na pwede mong i-edit. It's part of the parang magiging part siya ng model, unlike this one na parang yun. Yeah.
And then in the meanwhile, I'll just teach them how to use the basic interface. Yeah. Okay, so hello guys. If you are new to Enscape, this is the 3.0 interface. And I'll show you the difference in the video editor. So to access your toolbars, just press H. H will toggle the help button or the available hotkeys. So this is the help context menu. You have your basic movement tools, but we will go to the video editor. That's letter V. Okay, so if you press letter V, it opens up this new video editor. So unlike before, the video editor, which was below, is now on the left side, and it retains all my settings from the previous SketchUp model. So to clear that, I just press the letter X. Do you really want to delete? Yes. And it creates a brand new video editor. So the first thing I want to do is to set the first camera. Let's say from the left side, I press the letter K. Once I press the letter K, you will see an arrow here on the timeline. To create the next scene, just move the camera to the right. Okay, so you have to press the plus sign. Good. Once you have the start and end, you can now meddle with the things in between. So you can click the plus sign, or you can go to the end arrow, move the camera, and click the plus sign. So if you see the time, 21 seconds on the lower right. Okay. To change the end time, you have to exit the keyframe editor and edit the total duration. Let's say gusto ko 15 seconds lang. Enter. Okay. So the video animation will stay at 15 seconds for the whole video. And if you want to add keyframes in between, you have to select keyframe. Example, I selected the second keyframe. It will say keyframe 2 out of 3. And I want to add a keyframe here in between them. The problem is it sticks to the same keyframe, and that's what Brandon was talking about a while ago. Na hopefully there are sliders so that we can just slide it over here. Because what we're doing now is we have to go previews and next just to look for keyframe 3 and keyframe 2 and adjust it in the timestamp manually. Like this will be 6 seconds or 5 seconds. Okay. And if I go to keyframe number 3, I have to change the timestamp again. And it's hard to edit because they're in nakapatong. They're overlaid on top of each other. What I have to do here is actually delete it. I hope Enscape fixes this bug, because from first to second takes 4 seconds. And also when doing the animation, I hope that there's a slider moving here like in Lumion, so we know which part of the camera or which part of the animation is moving. Let's try that again. Let's move the camera here and press the letter K. Sometimes K isn't even working well, even though it's in the hotkey. You just press the plus button. Then we edit that timestamp. If you see, the end timestamp actually moved 10 seconds when we added a new keyframe. So yun, if you are very cautious about your time, you have to edit the timestamps first rather than the total duration. So let's see Brandon's video. Ready na? Ano
Here's
naman?
a
How
video
about the
that
one
I...
that you rendered a while ago?
Wait lang.
Let's see a preview.
Wait, again.
Okay. So this is the living room. And since we're streaming live, medyo laggy. Wait, that's just one clip? So
Right.
what he is doing here is he's rendering each scene so that he just compiles it in a video editor later on. I mean, another software. What video editor are you using?
Sony Vegas.
Sony Vegas Pro. Okay. I'm using Power Director, and I'll put a link below so you can download it. But the interface was much simpler than this one. Saka, pwede bang
Ito
i-black
yun.
dark themes?
Try ko nga siyang i-render.
You know, this Enscape video editor will look nice if it's black.
Oren.
So while he's currently working there, at least here inside the rendering window, you can already edit the visual settings. Don't have to open Sketchup. There's the HDRI. And we have the ambient or artificial light. So at least now you can select the keyframe and just press play to play from there, or to preview from there. But since my HDRI is linked to the brightest point as the sun, I cannot edit the time of the day manually. To disable that, and then the time of the day will change. So pressing letter U and I can change the time of the day. I like sana I can just edit it manually with the letter U and I. Tapos auto-save siya. Hopefully it will be automatically saved. But no, I still have to see. 8:43 a.m. Wait, rendering complete. Patingin.
Oh.
You like to upload that in our channel? Or
I'm not sure
under
kung papayagan ako kasi ano eh.
under company?
Hindi ko pala. Under
Okay.
company kasi.
Did you play it?
Yeah, I played it.
5 seconds?
It's 9 seconds.
9 seconds. Is that the one from the video editor? From Sony Vegas? Okay. Tagalan mo. Sige. I'll try yours pa soon. Okay, bye-bye.